Dear student of class 11, in this video also I'll continue with trigonometric function or compound angle. Now question number 13.1, the question is cot 2a plus tan a is equals to cosec 2a. Now then I'll take left hand side. Left hand side is cot 2a plus tan a. To prove this is equals to cosec 2a, I'll convert this cot and tan in terms of sine and cos. Cot 2a means I'll write cos 2a over sine 2a, and tan a is sine a over cos a. Now then I'll take LCM, sine 2a into cos a. After taking LCM, this one will be cos 2a cos a plus sine 2a sine a. Now it is in terms of formula. The numerator is in terms of formula. Cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Cos a cos b plus sine a sine b is equals to cos a minus b. It's a formula. Divided by sine 2a cos a. Cos 2a minus cos a is a over cos a over sine 2a into cos a. These two are cancelled. Now this is equals to 1 over sine 2a. And 1 by sine is cosec 2a. This is equals to right hand side. Now tan a is equals to half and tan b is equals to 1 over 3. Find the value of a plus b. How to tackle this kind of questions? Tan a is given, it is half. Tan b is 1 over 3. Find the value of a plus b. Now then, I'll consider this formula. Tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b formula is tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a tan b. Now then, after the formula, then I'll substitute the value of tan a and tan b. The tan a is equals to 1 over 2 plus tan b is 1 over 3 divided by 1 minus tan a is 1 over 2, tan b is 1 over 3. In the numerator, the LCM is 3 2s are 6 is the LCM. 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6. Over in the denominator, 3 2s are 6. The LCM is 6. It will be 6 minus 1. 6 get cancelled. And this is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5 over 6 minus 1 is 5 is 1 equals to 1. We're getting the value tan a plus b is equals to 1. Now then we have to find the value of a plus b only, not tan a plus b. So we can replace this 1 by tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. Now in place of 1 we can write tan 45. Then removing tan from both the sides, we cannot cancel the trigonometric function, so removing tan from both the sides, therefore a plus b is equals to 45 degree. This is your answer. And student of class 11, now try to understand. Now this question is given in terms of degree and minutes. Sine 18 degree 25 minutes into cos 11 degree 35 minutes plus cos 18 degree 25 minutes sine 11 degree 35 minutes. In mathematics, you just have to remember 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Now I'll take left hand side LHS sine 18 degree 25 minutes cos 11 degree 35 minutes cos 18 degree 25 minutes sine 11 degree 35 minutes. Now this expression is in terms of formula. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. The formula is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b is sine a plus b, 35 minutes. Now that you just have to add this to degree and minute. 18 degree 25 minutes plus 11 degree 35 minutes. Now first of all I'll add minutes. 35 plus 25 is 60 minutes. 18 plus 11 is 29 degree. That means 29 degree plus 60 minutes is 1 degree. 29 plus 1 is 30 degree. So we can write this is equals to sine 30 degree. And the value of sine 30 is half. The right hand side. The addition of degree and minutes. This is another type of question. Oh, sorry, student. Now, in case of tan and cot series, I'm not going to prove this is equal left hand side is equals to the right hand side. The method is a little bit different. To prove that in case of this is tan 140 minus tan 110 degree plus 1 plus 140 tan 110 degree. In case of tan and cot series, you just have to observe what you have to observe is two higher angles are given. 140, 110. 140 minus 110. After addition or after subtraction, the angle must be a trigonometric known angle. If I subtract 140 minus 110, what will get? Tan 30 degree. So, the subtraction of this is a trick that you have to remember. 140 degree minus 110 degree is equals to 30 degree. Now then, taking tan on both the sides. In this way, you can prove the whole identity. Taking tan on both sides. This one will be tan 140 minus 110 degree equals to tan 30 degree. Now I'll use formula. Tan A minus B formula. Tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B equals to the value of tan 30 degree is 1 over root 3. Now then I'll cross multiply root 3 into tan 140 degree minus tan 110 degree equals to 1 plus tan 140 into tan 110 degree. The whole identity is proved. So easy method. This question is also related to the tan series. Tan 18 degree, 27 degree into tan 18 and tan 27 equals to 1. This is also tan series. I'm not going to prove left hand side is equals to the right hand side. I'm going to prove the whole identity. First of all, what you have to do, the given angle that you have to add and subtract. By addition or by subtraction, if you are getting a known trigonometric angle, then you can apply the formula. Now, in this case, 27 plus 18 is 45. 45 degree is known trigonometric angle. So we can write since 18 degree plus 27 is equals to 45 degree. Then taking tan on both the sides. Taking tan on both sides. And this one will be tan 18 degree plus 27 degree is equals to tan 45 degree. Tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B equals to the value of tan 45 is 1. Now after doing this, I'll cross multiply this quantity. Tan 18 degree plus tan 27 degree equals to 1 minus tan 18 tan 27. To prove this identity, that you have to bring these two quantities from right hand side to the left hand side. Therefore, tan 18 plus tan 27 plus tan 18 tan 27 degree equals to 1. Now dear student, this question is very important for class 12 calculus concept. I'll do this particular questions by two different methods. First, I'll prove right hand side is equals to left hand side. I'll take RHS. This is for examination method. Another method I'll apply over here for calculus. 54. Now sir, we can break this 54 degree in terms of 45 degree plus 9 degree. 45 plus 9 is 54 degree. Now then I'll apply formula. Tan A plus B formula. It will be tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. The value of tan 45 is 1. 1 plus tan 9 degree over 1 minus tan 45 is 1. 1 into tan 9 degree is tan 9 degree. Now then I'll convert this tan in terms of sine and cos. 1 plus tan 9 degree is sine 9 degree over cos 9 degree divided by 1 minus sine 9 degree over cos 9 degree. Now then I'll take LCM. In both numerator and denominator, the LCM is cos 9 degree. If I take cos 9 degree LCM, then so the expression will be cos 9 degree plus sine 9 degree, and denominator also the cos 9 degree is the LCM. It will be cos 9 degree minus sine 9 degree. So that we can cancel these two quantities. It is cos 9 degree plus sine 9 degree over cos 9 degree minus sine 9 degree. This is equals to left hand side. If you get this question in examination, you can prove like this. Or in case of calculus, in case of integral calculus or in derivative, the method would be different. So first try to understand this method, then the same numerical I'll solve by another method. That is calculus based method. Now this student, the method which I'm going to apply over here, that we can use in class 12 calculus. Left hand side is equals to right hand side, and this is very important. And I'm doing 19.2. So more questions are there, like 19.3 and 19.4, that you have to do yourself homework. To prove this identity is equals to tan 54 degree, it's a trick. What you have to do is dividing both numerator and denominator by cos 90. You have to keep in your mind. This is a trick. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos 9 degree. So the numerator is cos 9 plus sine 9 degree, and this method is applicable in calculus class 2. Cos 9 degree minus sine 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree. Now then I'll divide individually. Again I'll divide. Cos 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree is 1 plus sine 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree. Sine over cos is tan 9 degree over, same method I'll apply to denominator. It will be 1 minus tan 9 degree. One more trick I'm going to apply over here. To convert this quantity in terms of tan A plus B formula, alright, 1 plus tan 9 degree over 1 minus tan 9 degree is there. Now we can write 1 into tan 9 degree. 1 into tan 9 degree is tan 9 degree. I've added nothing. 1 into tan 9 degree. And then this 2 1, ticked 1. Ticked quantity, I'll convert this quantity. 1 means we can replace this 1 by tan 45 plus tan 9 degree. I'm not going to touch this one. Minus this one is also, I'll apply tan 45 into tan 9 degree, replacing 1 by tan 45 degree. Now after the replacement, the expression that you'll get is in terms of formula. Which formula? Tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B, and that is equals to tan A plus B. 45 plus 9 is tan 54 degree. This is equals to right hand side. This method is applicable in calculus. The student, this one is very important question. Now the given quantities are over here. If a plus b plus c is equals to pi means 180 degree, and cos c is equals to cos a into cos b, prove that. The first identity I'll prove, tan a plus tan b is equals to tan c. To prove this identity, I'll take left hand side, number 1, left hand side LHS, and that is tan a plus tan b. I'll convert this one in terms of tan c. Now then I'll convert this one in terms of sin and cos. Sin a over cos a plus sin b over cos b. LCM is cos a, cos b is the LCM. And this one will be sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. The numerator is in terms of formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is sin a plus b divided by cos a cos b. Now in our expression, angle is in terms of a and b form, but the proving is c, tan c. So I'll use this relation. Sin. What will be the value of a plus b? A plus b. To calculate the value of a plus b, that you have to bring c from left hand side to the right hand side, will be pi minus c divided by cos a cos b. Cos a cos b is equals to cos a. Now the angle is in terms of it is in terms of c. Pi minus c means which quadrant? The first chapter of trigonometry. Pi minus c lies in a second quadrant. In second quadrant, the sign is positive. It will be sin c over cos c. Sin c over cos c is tan c. This is equals to right hand side. This is proved. First one is proved. The second one, now I'm going to prove. The student for second one, to prove this identity, 2 cot a cot b equals to 1, I'll use this relation. Since it is given cos c is equals to cos a cos b. In proving section, only cot a and b, angle a and b is there. In this expression, c is extra. So you have to convert this c in terms of a and b. So I'll using this relation, cos, the value of c from this relation is pi minus a minus b equals to cos a cos b. So cos pi minus, I'll take minus common, it will be a plus b, cos a cos b. This is lies in a second quadrant. Cos pi minus a plus b lies in a which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, only the sign is positive, that means cos is negative. Minus cos a plus b equals to cos a cos b. Now then I'll use formula. Cos a plus b formula. It is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b equals to cos a cos b. Now then I'll open this bracket, it will be minus cos a cos b plus sin a sin b equals to cos a cos b. These two are the like terms. Like terms I'll write in on one side, so it is sin a sin b equals to cos a cos b. If I bring this quantity over here, it will be plus cos a cos b. Now after getting this, now we'll get sin a sin b equals to cos a cos b plus cos a cos b is 2 cos a cos b. Now our identity, to prove our identity, is cot a cot b. So cos upon sin is cot. So I'll bring this quantity from left hand side to the right hand side, division. To leave 1 is equals to, you can write 2 cos a cos b divided by sin a sin b. If I cross multiply, we'll get the initial result. 1 is equals to 2 into cos A over sin A is cot A. Cos B over sin B is cot B. Therefore, we can write 2 cot A cot B equals to 1. The identity is important question. Dear student, this was for today's video. Some more videos related to the compound angle that you'll get in your future. Thank you for today.